let's talk about what else is accelerating that's a little alarming, that we've also talked about, but now there's quite a bit of articles about it, and it's worth talking about again, the stock market. So stock market, for all intents and purposes, has just been on fire, V-shaped recovery, just a blip on the radar. This whole pandemic thing was breaking records, all that. The problem is it's only a handful. I mean, it's these top 5 stocks. It's a handful of stocks that are causing this insane success. And even though there's so much failure, and to me, this is also kind of related to what we just said about like speeding up, all these internet companies, obviously Amazon, Facebook, all these guys are crushing it. But there's so many people left in the dust that kind of get like just ignored.
Yep.
Because you can just hide it behind record gains.
Yeah. The problem is S&P 500, which is like probably the most important index, 500 kind of biggest companies in America, is up 3% this year. It's all because of Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, Google, and Facebook. Those are the big companies.
Do we know what that group is up this year?
Oh, those guys are big.
It's got to be, it's
double digits.
Give a rough, is it 20%?
More.
Okay, so I just wanted to throw that out there as if the overall stock market is only up a few percent, but those guys are up, that's where it's coming from.
Yeah, and I think
the companies are Apple, Amazon, Facebook, Google.
Yeah, and I think that really continues to be like the biggest challenge for the stock market is like, as long as everyone is buying those big like mutual funds, obviously have a lot of money. Your mom and pop investors, traditional mom and pop investors probably have a lot of money in that stock. And then you take all the high risk new stuff that all the Robinhood investors are investing in. It's wild stuff.